Now, this class is meant for the beginners. You want to know maths, and the beginning of you knowing it is knowing about equation. So today we want to look at equation. Now, we have different types of equation. We have the linear equation, the quadratic equation, polynomial, and many other types of equation. But the one that we are concerned with here is the linear equation. Linear equation. Now, this linear equation, but before then, there's something that we need to understand. When we say variables in mathematics, the unknown, because usually in mathematics we represent what we don't know with letters. So it's a combination of numbers and letters. The numbers are the maths that we solve, and the letters are the what which represent what we don't know, what we are looking. We call them the unknown or variables. So in linear equation, we also have two types of equation. We have one variable and two variable. Now let's start with the one of one variable. Now look at this following equation. Let's assume that you have to find, say number one, find the value of x in the following equation. One, let's say x plus 5 is equal to 10. I want to give a space. Number two, x minus 5 is equal to 10. Number three, 5x is equal to 10. Number four, 5 over x is equal to 10. Number five, 5 divided by x is equal to 10. And let's say number 6, 2x plus 5 is equal to 25. Now these are equations. Now your understanding of mathematics begins with the understanding. This is the basics. If you're able to do this, then every other maths become easy for you to solve. Now look at this. Now, like I said in maths, these are numbers. This one is a letter. This is what you are looking for. We call them the variables or the unknown. Now, look at this. There is a law. Any number that crosses an equality sign, the sign must change. And that's what we call like terms again. Like terms are the ones that resemble family members. This one will go and meet its member. If that will happen, this sign must change as soon as it crosses this equality sign. So this becomes what? X is equal to this 10 as at home. You leave the 10 here. Then you not carry this one. Then something must happen. As soon as it crosses here, the sign that is plus become minus. So that x is equal to 5. By the time you remove 5 from 10, remaining 5. So 5 is the answer. Look at this. This one is similar to, but here is carrying minus. It will go and become what? And become plus. That means x is equal to 10 plus 5. So that x is equal to 15. The same process of these two. But this one cannot be solved the same with this one. This one are multiplied together, so it cannot be detached. What you do is that you don't want this 5. You don't divide both sides by what? By that 5. Here you put 5. Here you put 5. So that this 5 can cancel this. Why am I putting 5 in both sides? In maths, when you have an equality sign, whatever you do to the left, you must do to the right. This is the left, this is right. So whatever happens here, you must also repeat the same thing here. That's why I'm using 5 to divide both sides. Now look at this. This is an equality sign between two fractions. So in this case now, you put 1 under here, assuming that we assume that any number standing on own is standing on top of 1. So this become what? You now cross multiply when you say anything like this. Multiply like this, multiply like this. So become what? 5 times 1 or x times 10, that is 10x is equal to 5 times 1, 5. So you don't want 10. You divide both sides like I did there. Divide by what? By 10. This 10 will go with this. Now you know what? X is equal to 5 here 1, 5 here 2. 1 over 2. That's the value of x. Hope I'm not too fast. Now look at this. These are the two different ways of writing the same thing. You don't work with this. So you change to this sign. Become what? 5 over x. It says as well 5 divided by x is equal to 10. You put 1 under. So it's the same thing with this. So you multiply like this, give you what? 10x is equal to 5. Divide both sides by 10. X is equal to what? 1 over 2. They are the same way. The only thing is that the sign of division here and here are different, but they are saying the same thing. Now, but when you come here, the first step is to collect like terms. Carry this one to this place to become what? 2x is equal to 25. This plus become minus 5. So that 2x is equal to, remove this, we have 20. Divide both sides by 2 now. This go with this. S is 20 over 2. So that x is equal to 2 here, 1, 2 here, 10. S is equal to what? 10. Now look at it again. Use the next 2 minutes to look at it. Okay. I want to clean this now. Let's take some classwork on this. Okay. Classwork. Make sure you don't go away. Solve it and send your answer in the comment section. Don't forget, put your name and where you are from, so that I know who is talking. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, 1. 2x plus 3, or less of 30 is equal to 0. Then number 2, 3x plus 5 is equal to 20. And number 3, 5x is equal to 50. To solve this and put your answer in the comment section. See you in the next class.